I'm Alex from Levelset, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the importance of lien rights for restoration contractors and how it's a little bit different than your average contractor. So when you think about a typical construction project, you have the property owner or homeowner, a lender perhaps, as well as the GC and all the folks that they hire to complete the work. Typically money is going to flow through that pay chain so long as people are communicating and collaborating on a job. But for restoration contractors, it's a little bit of a different story. That's because there's an insurance company involved. And this is the person making the payment who has to make it typically to the homeowner, who then pays the restoration contractor. Insurance companies are notoriously slow at paying. They nickel and dime the homeowner to try and pay as little as possible. Restoration projects usually happen at a pretty bad time for pretty much anyone. No one wants a tornado to come and wipe out their house or a basement to flood. In this case, let's say that there's a fire in the house. They burn down the kitchen in their home, and this section of their house is ruined. They have to call their insurance company and let them know they burned down their house and they need to get a contractor to come and fix it. Once the insurance company has assessed the damage and realized it's about $20,000 for a restoration contractor to come and fix the fire damage, the restoration contractor can get to work. This is where the restoration contractor needs to start managing their lien rights by sending a preliminary notice, sometimes a 20-day notice or pre-lien, depending on what state you're in, and then making sure you're following your deadlines to manage those lien rights throughout the project. The relationship between the homeowner and the insurance company is an interesting one because the homeowner wants the protection of insurance, and as a result, they pay a monthly basis or every year they pay a certain amount of money to the insurance company to make sure they're protected in the event of these disasters or problems that happen in the home. But when these happen, the insurance companies still are going to take a while to pay. The insurance company's desire to keep the homeowner as a customer is higher than their desire to not or slow pay someone. Obviously, they want to keep this customer, and as a result, they need to be able to make those payments fast. And that's where the lien rights are going to speed things up. The restoration contractor, by leveraging their lien rights, are going to put pressure on the homeowner in a way that allows them to get that money faster. The threat of a lien on your home is scary, and it allows you to go to your insurance agent or your broker and say, hey, I need to be paid so I can pay this contractor. I don't want to have a lien on my house. And if you want to keep me as a customer, you need to make that payment faster. So it basically lubricates the whole process by allowing the homeowner to put a little bit more pressure on the insurance company to make this payment quickly to the homeowner when the project's completed or at each progress point, so that the homeowner can then pay the restoration contractor. In some cases, obviously homeowners can be a little dodgy maybe. Perhaps they don't make that $20,000 payment right away, and that's where the lien rights are going to help you yet again. If that payment hasn't come, maybe the insurance company's made it, maybe it hasn't made it to your bank account yet, you still want to make sure you have those lien rights. Otherwise, you might not be able to collect any of that money. You might go to a lawsuit, which would be a lot more terrible and expensive. I hope this has been a helpful video for you to understand the interesting relationship between restoration contractors, homeowners, and the insurance company, and why managing your lien rights in this situation is so important. If you have any other questions, swing by levelset.com. You can ask attorneys in our attorney network any question you have, give us a call, or start managing your lien rights today. And remember, payment help is here.